How to buy XRP Ripple on Phantom Wallet. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to get XRP. So if you check out the buy feature or the buy section of our Phantom Wallet over here, and if you search XRP, it will not show us anything over here because it's an unverified type of token. So as you can see, what we're going to need to do is to bypass that. So what you're going to do first is you're going to have to deposit money into your account and turn it into a cryptocurrency or change it into cryptocurrency, whether it's Solana, Ethereum, or Polygon. It doesn't really matter as long as you have money inside of your wallet. After that, you're going to click on swap, and depending on what you have, simply select them over here on your UPay section. Select the specific currency that you currently have. And over here on the you receive area, what you're going to do is you're just simply going to search XRP. There we go. And simply select the one that you need. So there's different options over here. So maybe you want the XRP ripple effect token over here. You can simply select that. Click on I understand and simply input the amount of money or the amount of token that you want to have on based on your XRP. So this is where you're going to calculate how much you want to receive and so on and so forth. So that's basically how you will be able to buy. You're technically swapping it for that, but you're technically buying it at the same time. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.